Yo, have you always wanted to know what the Cosmopolitan Hotel rooms in Las Vegas look like? Well, sit back and enjoy my walkthrough and review here on a major show. Welcome everyone to the Major Show, to my channel where I review food, unbox new items, and all other sorts of things. If you like what you see, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell to be notified of new content. So, this video you're about to watch was our room for my wife's birthday at the Cosmopolitan in Las Vegas, which is one of the best hotels on the strip. So, with further ado, please watch. We are at the Cosmo. What's the room number?
6783.
Can we pass that? No, we haven't. Keep going. Oh, I hate when they do this. There she is. And here's our room. Oh, this is nice. Would you look at that? Oh, all right. Got a butt naked lady on the wall. Semi butt naked. Would you look at this room? Fancy schmancy. Is that a big screen on the wall? All right. Put this bag down. This is the Cosmopolitan. Got the safe. What's in there? Closets, a closet space.
Dressing area.
Let me scoot back. It's a nice room. If you look at that. What size bed is it? This a king size bed?
Yeah.
King size bed with a balcony. We got the view. I'm trying to figure out how to open this window. Oh, there it is. Party time. Got a nice couch. You want to get out here, get your tan on. It's kind of dangerous. What's up?
See the shower?
Yeah. Whole room.
The shower is like in the bathtub.
Yeah, I know. That's what I'm saying. I got on the other side. All right. Let me get a. This is a big room. Got the robes. I don't know why my gimbal is acting stupid. All right. Well, this is our room, everybody. What's the type of this? What's the room type?
One bedroom suite.
Yeah, so this is the dining bar. So, like, you pick something up, you're gonna pay for it. You got grabby hand kids. Yeah, that's why they put that stuff right there. Welcome. All right, they got our name. Pretty nice. That being said, we are gone. Time to change clothes. Also, one thing I did not cover in this room, there is a refrigerator. So if you happen to go get food, things like that down in the casino, you can bring it back up. Thing is, as in most hotels that have food in there, like restaurants, there is no microwave in the room. So don't expect to warm up your food. If you can find a microwave in a casino hotel, perfect. But most hotels these days, if they serving food in their hotels, there is not a microwave. So I don't know how you feel about that, but yeah. So with everything being said, there are other hotels on the strip that are nice, but if you want to feel like a big shot, I would stay at the Cosmopolitan. You will not regret it, trust me. Also, don't forget to sign up for the Identity program on their website before you go. And once you get to Vegas, you get to the Cosmopolitan, go to the Identity desk. It's downstairs in the casino. You won't miss it. Or you can ask anybody who works there and they will point you in the right direction. So you can get reward points when you play slots, eat inside the hotel, and other things. Just remember to carry it with you. So when you go out to eat, like if let's just say if you go to Hattie B's, give me a card, pay for the food, you'll get points. So once again, thank you for coming to our channel and please hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons along with the bell so you'll be notified of anything that I post. So until then, see you next time on The Major Show.